Hey guys, today let's learn how to make a nice Discord server. So if you are a beginner on creating Discord servers and you are very eager to know how does those people actually create those very nice looking Discord servers on their Discords. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that, and we should utilize a template. So let's hop on over onto our PCs, onto our preferred browsers. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like right here. And as you see, I'm currently on my browser and I also have Discord also launched. And I want to go ahead and basically tap on this, on the lower part of our Discord servers. I'm going to tap on add a server. Now, once you have already created your own server, of course, I'm going to use one of my ready-made servers over here. Okay. This is the one server that I have done before. Okay. So basically, if you want to go ahead and make this server into a nice Discord server, you should utilize a template. And all we need to do is to do a quick Google search for Discord. So let's search for Discord over here. Discord templates. Now you have a bunch of different templates available on here, and also a bunch of different websites available to you on here. But one of those easy websites, or easiest well, basically those easiest server and that you could actually use, or server templates that you could use to add on your own Discord channels and Discord server is, of course, by searching for something on here. So basically, you do have this example over here already shown, as you see. We're gonna do the same over there. We're gonna basically do the same right here with this example server. So just searching for Discord server templates or aesthetic Discord server templates, and you do have a lot of different stuff available right here. Okay, let's cut that part out. So all we need to basically do is to go ahead and search over here. I think this is going to be a good example for this tutorial, showing us some Discord templates. So we do have some Discord templates available on here. As you see, we could view on them. And we could also use them for our own Discord templates. As you see, this is what the template should look like, and you should all, that's going to give you a preview of what it looks like. If you want to go ahead and use this on your own Discord, just use, or rather just tap on use template. And then that is going to be automatically, or rather you are going to be redirected onto this new page. So just wait for this to load. Alright, so once this is already done loading, of course, you could now choose this server that you want to go ahead and basically add this template on. Or in this case, it is actually asking me to create a new server. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new server with this pink and white aesthetic that I've chosen. Basically, this is the template that I'm going to use for this example. And then boom, as you see, we have a new server already made on here for us to use and edit. As you see, we do have the new server designs, a lot of different voice channels, some text channels as well, and you could always use this freely and also edit them with your own server settings if you prefer to do so, and also add your own bots. But that is how you can make a nice and aesthetic Discord server easy on your own Discord using a template that is easily searchable on the web. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.